Morning, guys. It's 5:24, which is 5:25. I'm awake. My brother just woke me. He just called me. So I wanted to do a morning routine, but the other early, 5:30. Nah, I can't. Let me just sleep. Then I'll try to wake up around 7. I'll try to wake up around 7 and do this morning routine thingy. But really, this thing is not for me. I'm gonna try. But for now, yeah, I'll see you guys around 7. Ciao.
A few moments later.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping, what it is, baby, it is what it is. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, hit the buttons and there to be part of the notification family. For those who don't know me, I'm Modie Queen baby, period. Anyway, I'm back with another video. As you guys can see from the title below, today I'm doing something different. Remember, it's level 4 for lockdown level 4, so I decided to do a morning routine. Okay, it's not my morning routine, I don't wanna lie. Nuggets haka 12 o'clock near vuka mina, 12 or 1 o'clock near vuka. I'm taking around today, me half 7, I'm awake. But then got there my afternoon routine, a morning routine, because now I can a morning routine, can afternoon routine. So far I did my face, then there's nothing left. the only thing it's on to get a go cleaner, then and eat. Okay, I'll try eat breakfast. Cause I'm not a morning person, I don't do breakfast, so I'll try to do all those things. Like, Yams, I'm proud, you know. Yams over proud kind of negative. I know you're not going to 5 o'clock of it. No, it's 6:30. I'm done. Put your in bed because it's out in the after I'm proud. Even if I can phone anyone, come to him. Oh my god, let me show you. Let me call my sister. Let me call my sister. Hey.
Hi.
Okay.
Isha, bonek jamai if that's what you want to know.
No, nakudumadisha.
Wow, I'm back. I punya kan.
Kudumadisha, how about to?
Awal wena.
Kitchen.
Kana kwe usuhili. Iya, namang wala kula din.
Maybe siya pa de.
Kisho luwa siya wapi. Yang eso sangkarai po naman. Uskay aga choko se.
Ay, siya po ba to? Siya.
Siya.
Guys, ke furufon na. You like that. Kinto kinana no ilo ko pala nochi. Kino ko pala hanyani. Kaya tatsuwa ka. Kaka 8 to 9. Cause wow. Asha mama taba vuganga abatswang ka matsa ba sa itse go ba dirang. Awa guys. Ono tswa furu o thapa meno wa cleaner wa ja then wetsang after. Cause there's nothing okay yetsang. I wait ne. Anyway guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. As little bona routine ya kaya afternoon ki yetsa ya morning, cause now I don't have a morning routine as I told you. So yeah, for now let's see I'll see you guys on the next clip. Don't forget to do what? Like, comment and subscribe. Okay guys, I'm done eating a breakfast. Now I'm about to tidy up and then I don't know after 20 because it's really full. I don't think it's a much clap a minute. Do my bedroom, get cleaner, then it's already late. Then it's late. So now I don't know what you guys do during the day. Let's Cause now cafe get cleaner, then after that's what I want to know. It's okay, I bath, then after bathing. What do you guys do? Cause wow, nyaporega shem. Ay nyaporega. Chinchang like well. And then yeah, let's do the things that need to be done. Later on, then you can yeah. So yeah, ciao guys. See y'all in the next clip. Hey beloved, welcome back to another clip. Guys, I'm done doing everything. I'm done cleaning. I'm done for the day. For now, I'm about to go eat, then bath, take a shower. So yeah, I think this is the last clip for this vlog, for this video. And yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this video because this is the last clip. Unfortunately, this is the last clip. So yeah, don't forget to do the most, comment, subscribe and like till we meet again. Bye.